I am an unemployed graphic designer, and today I'm trying to hack a website to buy food this month. AI stole my job, but maybe it can make me rich in hacking instead. Will I succeed or rage quit? Watch the full video to find out. Without any further ado, let's get freaky. This is Hack the Box, a free online platform that has free machines to hack into to practice your hacking skills. Here is the IP of the machine. Oh well, let's scan it using a tool called Nmap to see what kind of services they have so we can hack into it and control it remotely. Okay, it's done scanning. These are all the pods or services the website has. Let's answer the hacking riddles so we can see what we are dealing with. I also love solving riddles. So the first question is, how many TCP pods are open? I don't know what a TCP pod is, but here it's written 977. So let's write that. Oh, okay. Let's try counting the pods. 1, 2, 3.
2 hours later.
Okay. 23? 22? Maybe it's 24. How is it not 24? I just counted them. Maybe I miscounted with one digit, but it has to be 23 or 24. Oh, it says open pods. I counted all the pods. Okay, we have 4 open pods. What? It's not 4. But, oh wait, pod 23 is filtered. So only the pod of FTP, SSH, and HTTP are open. So we have 3 open pods. Boom! Next, after running a security snapshot, the browser is redirected to a part of the format something/ID, where ID represents the ID number of the scan. What is something? I mean, something is something, right? But the real answer has 4 letters. This is tricky. Let's see the hint. Run a scan and look at the URL of the page you are redirected to. This part is the same every time. I don't know whether I'm dumb or stupid, but it still doesn't make any sense. Let's see what happens when we search the IP. So we get redirected to the site. But where is something? This is the snapshot they are talking about. Look at the URL. It has the / that represents the part of this directory or endpoint. So is this something part? It has to be. I mean, it has 4 letters. Damn, this hacking thing is hard. And this is only the second review. Okay, let's go back to the site and look again. Oh, the path to the site is data or data. That means the something they are looking for is data. Boom! Man, I'm good at this. Next, are you able to get other user scans? Yes or no? This is easy because a hacker from a TV show said everything is hackable. So, yes. Boom! Man, I was born for this. Next riddle. We are halfway done. What is the ID of the PCAP file that contains sensitive data? Ooh, sensitive data you say. But what the hell is a PCAP file? Let's go to the site and find out. Oh, there is a download button. Let's see what it downloads. It's a PCAP file. Let's open it and see the sensitive data. Oh, it doesn't want to open. Let's open it on files. Here is the PCAP file. But there is no app to open it. Okay, let's try opening it with Nano, because it can open literally everything, even legs.
What do you mean by that?
There is no sensitive data here. It's just gibberish. Or maybe it's encrypted. Here it says Numbers such as 3, 17, or is 1 sensitive? Let's try 1 because it's written here. Let's see the hint. Download PCAP files and take a look. We have downloaded the PCAP and there is no sensitive data, but there is a 4 here. So let's try 4. Damn it! What is the sensitive data? Okay, let's give it to AI. Maybe he will know what to do. Looks like the message you sent is garbled, blah 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 blah. Also, AI is confused. Look, let's tell him it's a PCAP file. Oh good, it's making sense to him now. Use Wireshark. Oh damn, I have to download another software. But I don't want to download another software. I just want the ID. It seems he is more confused than my dumbass is. And we are so close to do the actual hacking. Okay, let's just download Wireshark. Those who don't know what Wireshark is, it is a shark used by the feds that has a wire to record sensitive info like a snitch. Just kidding. It's an advanced hacker tool used for sniffing Wi-Fi password and data through thin air. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, it's downloading. Linux is so nice. You don't have to go to the Play Store or browser to download things. You just type them in the terminal and boom, it downloads. You must try it. Nice. Okay, it's done downloading. Let's open the PCAP file and view the sensitive data. So this is the infamous Wireshark. I didn't expect it to look like this. How do I see the sensitive data on this thing? It's not showing any. Let's see the hint again. Still not helpful. Let's check the website. Hit download again. Oh, still the same file. Okay, I'm going to try all these numbers that I can get from this thing. I literally tried every number I found on this file and still got nothing. But I'm not giving up, because giving up means no food this month. Yeah, so I have to solve this no matter what the circumstances. My screen recorder died while I was solving the riddle, but the answer was 0. Can you imagine? What I had to do was change the number 1 on the website to a 0, which is the ID of the super user or root. Then I downloaded the PCAP file and used Wireshark to see his password. Now that we have his password, we will use FTP, which is File Transfer Protocol, meaning we will remotely have access to the admin Nathan's computer files to view and send. I don't think we can delete anything though. And we have to retrieve the secret flag in his computer. So let's FTP to the web server and use Nathan's password, which we found in the PCAP file while using Wireshark. Here it is, right here. Let's copy it real quick and paste it here. Boom! We are in. Now let's explore his computer files for some juicy secrets. This is what we have. And I think what we are looking for is in here, in user.txt file. Let's use the get command to download the file into our computer. Then open it in File Manager to see what's in it. Yep, I think this is the secret flag. Let's copy it and paste it. And boom, we had Nathan. That was easy as hell.
Cap.
Okay, maybe it was a little bit hard. Now the last riddle before we had the root, meaning we own the whole system, like cutting the tree. When you cut the tree from the stem, it will grow back. But when you cut it from the root, you own it. The next riddle says, what is the full path to the binary on this machine that has special capabilities that can be abused to obtain root privileges? Ooh, my two favorite words in one sentence, special and abuse. But jokes aside, I don't know what this riddle wants. Let's first try some brute force guessing. Okay, that did not work. Let's see the hint. Lynn Pierce will show this in the files with the capabilities section of the output or the getcap binary on cap. This confused me even more. What the heck is a linps and getcap? Let's click this. Nope, too many words. Let's ask AI. Blah blah blah, download. I have to download again? Ah well, man's gotta eat. Okay. That was quick. Let's copy the rest of the steps like an ultimate script kiddie. Done. What's next? Says here, transfer the target using wget. Wget. This is too much. I'm a simple man who likes simple answers. So, let's ask a dumb question. So I have to use SSH because FTP cannot run a script? Oh, I don't have to do it myself. It looks like Nathan or other hacker used linps and left the file for me to see. Let's see what juicy secrets are in here. Okay, that's a lot of information and I'm not feeling like reading today. So we'll just copy this and give it to our friend who likes to read and tell me what I need. You must work smart, not hard. I don't see anything useful here. I think our buddy AI is having hallucination episodes again. What do I do now? Read the whole thing? Hell nah! I ain't reading this thing. Okay, let's not give him the whole thing to read. Maybe he's just like me. He's not feeling like reading today. Let's give him a simple comment that will give effective results. See, now we're talking. The trick is to filter for juicy stuff instead of scrolling endlessly. Me and you think the same. I guess what they say is true. Great minds think alike. So let's grab this here and paste it here. And I think this is what we're looking for. Let's copy it and paste it to see what happens. Boom! It be killing this shit. Now the last part. Hack to gain full control of the system. This is the simple and fun part. Let's SSH into Nathan's computer. SSH is like FTP, but you don't just send and read file. You can also control the computer remotely. Copy and paste the password and we're in. Now let's list the files. Still the same files we saw in the FTP. Now let's gain root privileges by pasting the command we got earlier. And boom, we have root permission. Now let's go to the root home folder and capture the secret flag. And boom, we successfully hacked a website. This was hard and fun at the same time. I don't know it will be easier with more practice, just like it did with graphic design. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, like and comment if you want to see me do it again. In the meantime, watch another video.